There are only two ways to live your life. One is as though nothing is a miracle. The other is as though everything is a miracle. Learn from yesterday. Live for today. Hope for tomorrow. The important thing is not to stop questioning. Albert Einstein. We cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we used when we created them. Albert Einstein. If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. Albert Einstein. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. Albert Einstein. Look deep into nature, and then you will understand everything better. Albert Einstein. Strive not to be a success, but rather to be of value. Albert Einstein. I have no special talent. I am only passionately curious. Albert Einstein. A person who never made a mistake never tried anything new. Albert Einstein. We can't solve problems by using the same kind of thinking we used when we created them. Albert Einstein. Coincidence is God's way of remaining anonymous. Albert Einstein. Only two things are infinite, the universe and human stupidity. And I'm not sure about the former. Albert Einstein. It's not that I'm so smart, it's just that I stay with problems longer. Albert Einstein. No problem can be solved from the same level of consciousness that created it. Albert Einstein. Reality is merely an illusion, albeit a very persistent one. Albert Einstein. Weakness of attitude becomes weakness of character. Albert Einstein. Logic will get you from A to B. Imagination will take you everywhere. Albert Einstein. I know not with what weapons World War III will be fought, but World War IV will be fought with sticks and stones. Albert Einstein. You can't blame gravity for a falling in love. Albert Einstein. Peace cannot be kept by force. It can only be achieved by understanding. Albert Einstein. If we knew what it was we were doing, it would not be called research, would it? Albert Einstein. The only source of knowledge is experience. Albert Einstein. Once we accept our limits, we go beyond them. Albert Einstein. Only a life lived for others is a life worthwhile. Albert Einstein. The only reason for time is so that everything doesn't happen at once. Albert Einstein. Anyone who has never made a mistake has never tried anything new. Albert Einstein. No amount of experimentation can ever prove me right. A single experiment can prove me wrong. Albert Einstein. Imagination is everything. It is the preview of life's coming. Attractions. Albert Einstein. The gift of fantasy has meant more to me than my talent for absorbing positive knowledge. Albert Einstein. Common sense is the collection of prejudices acquired by age 18. Albert Einstein. Nationalism is an infantile disease. It is the measles of mankind. Albert Einstein. I live in that solitude which is painful in youth, but delicious in the years of maturity. Albert Einstein. The world is a dangerous place to live, not because of the people who are evil, but because of the people who don't do anything about it. Albert Einstein. Whoever is careless with the truth in small matters cannot be trusted with important matters. Albert Einstein. Any man who can drive safely while kissing a pretty girl is simply not giving the kiss the attention it deserves. Albert Einstein. The true sign of intelligence is not knowledge but imagination. Albert Einstein. There are two ways to live. You can live as if nothing is a miracle. You can live as if everything is a miracle. Albert Einstein.